This is Thursday, the 12th of August, 2026. We're going to be getting videos in Oconee County today up to Barra County and Winder. We're documenting growth, development, and change. We're here right next to the Tin Loop. It's to our right. We're going to go across and go by the Piedmont Physicians section. Let you see that, the way it is growing like crazy. That is the Goddard School there. We will go up and let you see this other vacant right now area. That is Oconee Connector going over to the Costco and all of the shopping over there. Going to the right, from left to right. We're going to go up 316. We went up 316 yesterday, and from US 78 all the way, it is just busting wide open. So we want to document that now. All the for sale stuff, everything. There's going to be so much development going on, it's unreal. We may end up going also Georgia 211, maybe Georgia 53 if we have time. I don't know that we're going to have time. So please like, share, and subscribe. We're also going to be doing much more Insta360 X5, 360 full virtual reality immersive videos. Our monetization has been approved for VR platform, and it is basically, well, I say, headsets, full virtual reality 360. We'll be doing 5.7K and 8K. 316 is right down to our left. We are headed west. We're going to turn right here and go by the Piedmont Physicians, Oconee Health Campus, Piedmont. They're clearing all of this stuff. We'll try to document panning this Osmo Action 5 Pro left and right, where you can try to catch all or as much of this as you can. This will be at least 2 videos. It may be more than that. Meriwether Drive coming up right here. And then, of course, this is Jennings Mill Road. We're going to turn right down here. Cross over the Tin Loop. We're going to be going in some subdivisions and stuff like that as well. Maybe walk in some new homes. I don't know if we'll get around to doing that today or not, but we're going to start doing more of that. And just as a disclaimer, I have let my real estate license lapse. I am not practicing real estate in any shape, form, or fashion. We're going to turn right here, Plaza Parkway. Any real estate videos I do are strictly for the YouTube channel. They are for documentation, documenting change over time, time capsule, entertainment, education, but not real estate. We are not practicing real estate. We're not selling, we're not listing, we're not pretending, we're not doing any of that. Anything real estate is for information, entertainment, education, and YouTube channel production only. Okay, we're going to turn and go down by Costco. And I say, yeah, this is already developed, but this is giving us a base of what is here already and what is coming. There's going to be a new car wash and oil change facility over here next to the Costco gas facility. Now, we have done a video of the 10 loop from Prince to, I think, Millage and back. Yeah, the Costco gas, and now they've broken ground over here. They will be putting in that oil change and car wash. I guess let's go ahead and document this looping around. That way y'all will see what they're, as it develops, you'll be able to see it as well. We're going to try to leave these videos running. We're going to hit 316 and stuff will be, we won't have as many stops. I hate letting it run like this. I hope we get to go instead of the people coming and turning in left on us first. We should have gone out the bottom end. Okay, we've got this. Now this will show y'all all of this stuff here before anything is done. So we'll have it captured before and then during, whenever they're doing construction, and then when it's completed. From my understanding, I may be wrong, the Varsity has a piece of property right in here somewhere. We won't be getting into Athens Clark with this video. This is pretty much strictly Oconee County and then Barrow County. Like I said, we'll be documenting growth and change over the next couple of days in Oconee and Barrow. Georgia 53, Georgia 211. All of this stuff is new and opening up. Now this creek to our left right here, I think that is the county dividing line. So we are right at the very perimeter boundary of Oconee Clark to our left. Oconee and Athens Clark to our left. Epps Bridge Parkway. They're developing that land that's been sitting all this time next to the Home Depot. I'm not sure what it's going to be, but we won't go there today. When we can get to it, we will go to it. But from here, we're going to go, this will turn into 316. And we're going to go 316 all the way to, I guess, Georgia 81. I don't really want to go that far, but I think we will go that far. That way we will have it captured all the way there. Now this is already 10 minutes, so we'll be cutting this one off. I think when we get, I guess when we get back to the Oconee connector, that would be a good place to start, 316 at the Oconee connector, or either up here at the loop, because they are pushing all those trees down. They're developing all of that stuff across there now. So we'll probably do it right at the 10 loop. Cut this one off and start another one. Of course, you've got the Cracker Barrel, Walmart, Lowe's, everything on this side or the right. The other side, you've got all of this other stuff over here. Bank of America, Chick-fil-A, and then that other shopping area, Harbor Freight. Dunkin' Donut, all that stuff, and Home Depot over there to the left. You got Mavis here on the right. Aspen Dental, J Buffalo, I've never heard of them. Verizon. But yeah, I think we will start right there at the top of the hill at the bridge, and that'll start our second video. This one is be between 12 and 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, you know what? I meant to come. Well, we did come through there. That's right, we did. Okay, well, we're going to stop this one right here, and we'll be starting another one when the light turns green for us. This is the loop to the left to take you more into Oconee County, access to Watkinsville, then on over to South Millage, Lexington Road to the left. Of course, you can go to the right and you can get access all that same stuff. You just have to go around the loop. Oconee County Sheriff there in front of us. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. We're going to start the second one now.